Welcome to this in-depth overview of Wasabi Wallet, the powerful Bitcoin wallet designed to enhance your privacy and protect your transactions. In this video, we'll explore how Wasabi Wallet works, its unique features, and why it's an essential tool for anyone who values cryptocurrency privacy. First, let's discuss what makes Wasabi Wallet stand out. Wasabi Wallet is renowned for its privacy-first approach. Built with Bitcoin users in mind, it utilizes advanced tools like CoinJoin for transaction anonymity. This method mixes your Bitcoin with others, obscuring its trail on the blockchain. This ensures your financial activity remains private and untraceable. The wallet also incorporates seamless Tor integration, encrypting your connection, and hiding your IP address. Wasabi's intuitive interface ensures that even newcomers can quickly understand its functionality. Once you download and install the wallet, you'll notice the focus on transparency. The wallet provides detailed coin control, allowing you to track and decide how your Bitcoin is used in transactions. This granular control ensures you always have visibility into your activity. Sending and receiving Bitcoin through Wasabi Wallet is straightforward. With the help of Tor, every transaction goes through a secure and private connection, making it resistant to surveillance. Additionally, Wasabi is open source, meaning the community can verify its code for security and privacy guarantees. Now, before we proceed to the essential walkthrough of setting up and using Wasabi Wallet, let's talk about an exciting opportunity. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. The sign-up link and bonus for new users are in the description. Continuing with Wasabi Wallet, once you set up your wallet and generated a Bitcoin address, the wallet will offer options for both standard and CoinJoin transactions. To maximize your privacy, always opt for CoinJoin. You'll notice a small fee associated with this feature, but it's a worthwhile investment in safeguarding your identity. The wallet also includes a powerful search tool for your transaction history, ensuring you can easily navigate your records. Additionally, Wasabi's frequent updates ensure compatibility with the latest Bitcoin improvements and security enhancements. Remember, privacy in cryptocurrency isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Wasabi Wallet empowers you to maintain full control of your Bitcoin while protecting your data from prying eyes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency guides and tutorials.